Hey everybody, welcome to another YouTube video. Today we're talking intercoolers. This specific intercooler is a bolt-on for the EA888 MQB platform. It features a high-flow competition intercooler core with cast end tanks welded to it. Inside of the inlet tank we have a divider. So the inlet air coming into the tank will basically be separated to try and incorporate flow through as much of the frontal area of the intercooler as possible. Now, a lot of the other intercoolers that are available on the market that don't feature a split in the end tank will allow air, now air obviously follows the path of least resistance, that enters into the tank will obviously try and find the quickest and easiest way out of the intercooler or through the intercooler. And that normally involves no change in direction. So what we do with the intercooler end tank with the divider in is we force the air into the entire frontal area. The core itself is 65 millimeters wide. It comes with charge pipes. These are aluminium charge pipes with billet fittings already mounted for your sensors. Includes stainless steel cap screws, a carbon fiber type coating or appearance in terms of the appearance, aesthetics. And it includes 3 water method injection ports already built into the charge pipe. They are finished off beautifully inside. You'll see from the close-up pictures which I'll show you just now. And the charge pipes come in either red or black. Obviously the choice is yours. And a muffler delete, a billet muffler delete, as well as 5-layer reinforced silicone hose. So this is pretty much a 100% bolt-on application. It requires no modification, cutting, welding of any sorts, and includes stainless steel clamps as well. This intercooler setup is good for a 700 horsepower, 750 horsepower application. So if you are running high boost pressures or bigger turbocharger upgrades on your MQB platform, this is the perfect setup for you. You guys will be really surprised at the pricing for this complete bolt-on intercooler setup. Click on the link below. I will have a link directly to our online store and you guys can go and check out the pricing, and some nice close-up pictures will be shown to you at the end of this video. Hope you guys like this one. It's a short one, but give us some comments down below, subscribe, let us know what you guys think. If there are any other intercooler upgrades you guys would like us to add to our range, comment below. See you next time.